What's happening, boys and girls? I'm up at my buddy John Dakowitz's place. He owns a garage called Hillside Garage up in Washington, N.H. To get a sticker on my truck. And I thought it'd be cool to do a quick walk around. He works on a ton of Land Rovers. And for all you Land Rover guys, you're going to freak out when you see all these things. Let me flip this around and show you. All right, so I'm going to do a quick walk around here. Mind you, I'm not a Land Rover guy. I know nothing about Land Rovers. John's a Land Rover guy. I'm a Jeep guy. I met John. I was working at a shop up here in Washington, N.H., and that's where I met John and became good friends. And I still come up here and visit him once in a while. He comes down to my shop, visits me. But yeah, he restores Land Rovers, does a lot of Defenders, a lot of series trucks, does new stuff, does all kinds of stuff. I just thought it's cool to give you guys a quick walk around. Show you all these Land Rovers he's working on. He does a little bit of everything. He does some new repair. Like I said, Washington, N.H. is kind of in the middle of nowhere. So, fortunately, I don't really know anything about these trucks. Like I said, I'm not a Land Rover guy. I know more about stuff like that Baby Bird, than I know about the Land Rover stuff. But I figure there's a lot of guys that I wheel with and know that are really into these Land Rovers. So, I don't know, I just figured it'd be cool to walk around in some of them. Like I said, some are in the process of restoring. Some might be parts trucks. I don't know, he's got all kinds of stuff. But yeah, as long as I've known John, he's had Land Rovers. He's been restoring Land Rovers, and it's funny because, you know, his garage is so cool. It's in the middle of nowhere. And at least it is for me. You know, it's up in Washington, N.H., small little town. But yeah, he's got all kinds of cool stuff. Some horsies. Just cool to me seeing all these different Land Rovers at different stages. One of those dogs get nice and dusty. But yeah, they're working inside the shop, so I don't want to go in there and kind of disturb them. But I figured this is just a quick walk around. I don't know, they just got all these cool trucks, man. All these cool Land Rovers I just thought was super neat, man. So these are John's personal trucks. Wait, what is this, John?
It's a Defender 110. Defender 110 pickup.
This thing's slick. Once again, I'm not a Land Rover guy. I've never seen one of these ever. Granted, I'm not in the know. I have complete ignorance when it comes to these Land Rovers, but that is slick. I like that. That's cool. Super cool. I like the steering wheel. Reminds me of like an old, like a Porsche, like old style Porsche style steering wheel. The same turbo blanket like we use on the drag cars. Yeah. What size motor is this?
2.5 liter DDI.
Okay. Very cool.
Yeah, there you go, two of them.
It's another secret stash. So, if you guys are looking for Land Rovers, apparently he's hoarding them all. So, I didn't know this was back here.
Oh, yeah.
Couple FJs. What year are the FJs?
One is a 73, I think, and 75.
75.
Yeah, that one have the F engine of FA.
Yeah.
So that one have a 5-speed transmission. This one have a 4-speed.
Oh, okay.
I have even for that one, either one doesn't matter really. This one have an aluminum tub.
Yeah.
And I have a brand new inside. I have a brand new fender. It's never been installed.
Oh, wow. Huh. Brand new chassis sitting over there.
Yeah.
All galley.
They've both been runners, but I park and never touched them.
What are these? Just all your parts trucks, or
yeah.
this stuff you're getting rid of? A nice little series over there, make a nice little rock crawler. Oh my goodness. So I'm sure there'll be people watching this drooling like, oh my goodness, I need that. This was the D90?
That was my D90, yeah. Now this is still my D90.
yeah, still.
Yeah, no,
What's left of it?
I changed. No, I have everything full.
Just in the
just
process of
didn't have the
restoring
fucking
it.
time to finish.
All brand new chassis.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's gonna be a slick truck. Like, once again, boys and girls, I know nothing about these. John's the guy, I'm not the guy. So if you got Land Rover stuff, come see this guy. He's up in Washington, New Hampshire. But as you can see, he's packed, so I don't know how much room he has for more work, but he's the Land Rover guy. So you got Land Rover stuff, Land Rover questions, call him. Don't bother me.
Yeah. See what I developed?
Oh, that's cool.
For my own.
There you go. That's his number, his website. Super cool. Thank you. Yeah, all right, you guys. Check you later, and I'll catch up with you again.